Hi, today we're going to talk about how to take your blood pressure. You should know that before you take your blood pressure, you want to be in a quiet place. Make sure you're sitting still and make sure you haven't eaten, drink, or smoked within the past 10 minutes. Also, you want to make sure to try to check your blood pressure at least twice a day, usually in the morning after you get up. You want to be sitting up straight, not laying down on an incline. And you want to make sure that the level that you're sitting at is not below your heart level. You should also take your blood pressure before you go to bed. A good time to take it would be about an hour after you've eaten, before you take any medications before you lay down. Again, you want to make sure you're sitting upright, not laying on an incline, and in a quiet place. When you take your blood pressure twice a day, you want to be sure to keep a log for your provider. So that way you can know exactly what your numbers are. You can find those logs in our resource library, right here where you landed today. Also, you want to make sure that the parameters are set by your doctor so that you know your baseline. So check with your provider about those numbers. Here you can see the basic parameters, but what's normal for you may be different. So again, check with your provider. As you can see, we're going to make sure that our machine is on a level table. We're going to take the blood pressure cuff and open it. You're going to slide the blood pressure cuff on the arm. You want to make sure that the cuff is at the artery line in the center of the elbow. Then, take the extended piece and wrap it around. The Velcro will allow it to stay in place. We also want to make sure that you put 2 fingers underneath so that it can slide, just to make sure it's not on too tight so that you get accurate numbers. Next, we're going to push the start button. As the monitor begins to read your blood pressure, it's going to feel a little snug. At the end of the 60 seconds, the blood pressure monitor will stop and your numbers will show. The cuff will immediately begin to deflate. You have now successfully taken your blood pressure. Make sure to take the blood pressure cuff off. Once you've concluded taking your blood pressure, you want to write it on your log.